Supplementary reader. A Pact with the Sun. Lesson 2. The Friendly Mongoose. This is a story taken from Panchatantra. This story talks about the human tendency to jump to conclusion hurriedly and rashly. This story also tells us how this tendency disturbs our life. This moral is depicted through a farmer's wife. Main characters in the story: a farmer, farmer's wife, farmer's baby, and a friendly mongoose. Children, let's look into glossary. Companion, fellow, friend. Bushy, thick and spreading. That is, look at mongoose hair. It is thick and spreading. Cradle, infants bed on rockers. You know the cradle, no? The babies lie in the cradle. Rocked, swung. It is past third form of swing. Okay? Okay, swing, you know, no children? Swing, swang. You heard about it? Okay. That is we are taking a baby in the hand and we will move our hands to and fro. Okay, then what happens? The baby will be moving here, this side and that side. Okay, that is called rocked. Off to means going to. Ran into means met. Okay, meeting somebody. Past tense of meet. Customary, you know, no customs. Okay, usual. Okay. Screamed, cried. Screaming loudly. Loud cry is called cried. Okay, screamed. Smeared means stained or covered. Something stained. Stain, you know, no, children. Something fall on a fresh thing. That is, there will be stain. Okay, stained. Okay, blood stain. You heard about it, no? Wicked, sinful. Sinful means those who are doing wrongdoings. Okay. Hysterically means with widely uncontrolled emotions. See, sometimes, you know, some people get so angry that they cannot control themselves. Okay, they react very fast. That is called a uncontrolled emotion. Okay. Rage, that is anger. Okay. Unaware, not knowing what actually happened. Okay, that is called unaware. Sobbing, suppressed weeping, deep cry. Okay, crying from the, you know, deep grieveness. Okay, understand? Rashly, without careful consideration of the possible consequences, and we not thinking what is actually consequences of this, and without thinking that doing something. Okay, careless behavior. Okay. Stared means gazed. You know, why are you staring at me? We ask. No, sometimes when somebody is always looking at us very with open eyes. Okay, understand? The story goes like this. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with a small son. They loved him very much. One day, the farmer said to his wife, "We must have a pet. When our son grows up, we will need a companion. He will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion." His wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. His wife said, "It's a baby mongoose." The farmer replied, "But it will soon be a fully grown mongoose. He will be a friend to our son." In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. It became a lovely animal with a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Okay? Here we can see they are getting a mongoose as a pet. And the baby mongoose grew on in 6 months. Okay, but their baby is still on the cradle, lying on the cradle there. It is very small. Okay. Parents leave the child alone. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Don't leave the child alone with the mongoose. The farmer said, "You needn't be afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best friends." The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go to his field. He met some friends on the way back from the field and don't return home for quite some time. Mother comes back. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose who was waiting outside for her. On seeing her, the mongoose ran to welcome her. It was customary. The farmer's wife looked at the mongoose and screamed blood. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. She was blind with rage and screamed hysterically, "You wicked animal! You have killed my baby!" With all her strength, brought down the heavy basket full of the groceries on the blood smeared mongoose. The mother realizes her mistake. She ran towards the child's cradle. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done?" she cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife had acted hastily and rashly, stared at the dead mongoose. The farmer's wife realized her mistake and repented, but it was too late. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. Moral: look before you leap. Now we just read the lesson, which says about a farmer and his wife who had a pet mongoose. And they loved their son very much. And one day when they went out, mother to the bazaar and father to meet his friends, and we could see how the mongoose saved the life of the baby from black snake. And but mother, when she reached back home, she didn't realize that the mongoose had saved the life of her son. Instead, she thought that the mongoose had killed his son. So, by mistake, she also killed the mongoose. It is speaking about how hastily we react sometimes. We need to be careful when we react to something. We need to look into what really happened. Thank you, children.